Have you ever wondered what are some of those top essentials that every college student needs? The things that actually would make their life a little simpler. Well, I'm here to tell you, after spending 10 plus years on college campuses, these are the things that I found that make a college student's life a whole lot easier. I'm Sarah L. Cowart, and I'm the founder and owner of SideLine Confessions. Welcome to my channel. I help students reach their potential in the classroom, whether they're high school students, whether they're college students, or whether they're high school athletes wanting to become collegiate athletes. And I have seen on campus time and time again, college students without these items. And let me tell you, these items will make life so much easier. So let's start off with one of the number one things I see college students without. And quite frankly, it makes me laugh because it's the one thing that we actually don't think about, but it's a true essential in life. That's an umbrella. I mean, think about it. When students are transitioning from high school to college, they didn't need an umbrella in high school to move from class to class, but on a college campus, an umbrella is essential. And even if they don't have an umbrella, they can grab a raincoat, but they need to make sure that they pack it in their backpack. So an umbrella is super convenient. You can get one of those travel size ones and throw it in your backpack to have on those rainy days, because when it rains, you still have to go to class. The other thing that I see a lot of kids still without is a laptop. I know it's a really big purchase. It's something that you have to think about and plan for, but having a laptop makes it so much easier when kids are heading to the library, they're heading to class, they need to study with their roommates, or maybe they need to study with classmates. It helps them keep everything in order and where they need to get their work done and make sure that everything works exactly like they should. And so having a laptop, again, it doesn't have to be the most expensive one out there, but it is certainly something that every college student needs. The other things that college students need is a first aid kit. You guys, think about it. Your college student is like roaming around campus. Maybe they're gonna get hurt. Maybe they need some medicine. But if they had a first aid kit back at their apartment or their dorm, it would make it so much easier where they're not having to hunt down a Band-Aid because they hurt their hand somewhere or got a scratch or something like that. So making sure they have a first aid kit is essential. The other thing that I always see college students without, and because this happened time and time again in my office on a college campus, is an extra charger. Having one of those battery pack chargers, or even just an extra charger they can plug in somewhere, is super, super convenient, because let's be honest, they're on their phones all day. They're doing all kinds of stuff, whether it's making videos or chatting with their friends, and having an extra charger just makes things a whole lot easier. And one of the things that we just don't think about, especially if your student is living in the dorm, they need like a water pitcher with a filter. Because think about it, they have a mini fridge in their dorm, maybe they have a common area with a fridge, but where are they gonna put all those bottles of water? And so if they had a water pitcher in their room, it just makes so convenient. Which, if you have a water pitcher, guess what you also need? A water bottle. Yes, I cannot tell you how many students I encountered on campus who were like thirsty and they're trying to go buy a bottle of water or something, but if they had those two things hand in hand in their dorm or at their apartment on campus, then life would be so much easier, because then we know that they're getting their water intake for the day. And it's super easy just to pop that water bottle in your, the side pocket on your backpack and make sure that you have it, and so that you're not gonna be dehydrated as you're walking around campus, especially in that fall semester when it's super hot outside, or the end of the spring semester. What are some of those other daily essentials that you think of as college students that you wish you had when you were a freshman, or maybe things that you've actually picked up over the years? Now, be sure that you like and subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that we have. I'll pop them over here in the corner so that you can see them and that you can head on over there and check those out. And don't forget, if you're into podcasts and you're a high school student wanting to become a college student, also check out the podcast Confessions from the Sidelines, because we have a new episode that comes out every Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in.